your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
74-degree air temperature, dew point the same, 100% relative humidity, making it feel kind of sticky out there with that east wind continuing to blow at 7. The east wind, again, bringing showers in from the other coast, colliding with our sea breeze and producing a chance of rainfall in the afternoon. A good chance of rainfall. Some of the storms could be heavy. Lightning pops will be around. Remember, over the course of the weekend, each and every afternoon, there will be thunderstorms around, and 2/3 of lightning deaths occur during leisure activities, and I'm sure there'll be lots of boaters out there this weekend, as well as other outside activities. So just remember, if you hear the thunder, you are in risk of being close enough to the parent storm to have a danger of being struck, so it's best to be indoors till the threat passes. Showers out in Atlantic waters, gradually drifting in this direction, riding on that easterly wind. Nothing changes there. Chance of formation over 5 days, 10% for this cluster of ragged-looking clouds down here near Hispaniola. Not much to look at presently or for the next several days, as upper-level winds are just shredding this system. But there is some suggestion that as it moves toward the east, it could develop. I don't know. I think it might not even make it across the Florida Straits before it just completely falls apart. But nevertheless, it will contain a lot of moisture down there, and that moisture is definitely headed in this direction, bringing us chances of rain as we head into especially Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. And I don't mean just chances of rain, because we've had chances of rain each and every day. I mean chances of some heavier rainfall. And that heavier rainfall, I think, will be felt most particularly in the southern tip of the state as well as on the east coast. But we'll be monitoring it for the potential of some heavier rains around here. You don't need much right now with the ground saturated to create some low-lying flooding, though most of the rivers will probably start to recede as we head into the weekend or even tomorrow night and then into Monday as well. Some of the last remaining rivers that are still close to flood stage. The forecast also shows some drier air moving in, perhaps, as that system moves out of here by Wednesday or so. And then we start to see perhaps a little bit more sunshine in the forecast for Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next week. That's a long way down the road, though. If you take a look at the moisture available for rainfall in the atmosphere and put it into motion, today we have a good amount of moisture available. Perhaps by Sunday, we start to see some of these cooler colors work their way in. That means a little bit less moisture in our column of atmosphere to produce rain showers. So maybe on Sunday, a little bit more sunshine, a little chance to dry out. Then, of course, as we head into Monday and Tuesday, we'll watch that tropical wave approach, and it'll produce some very heavy rainfall somewhere across the state of Florida, I suspect, and most likely along the other coast. But it's still too early to definitely say that, so we'll be monitoring it right straight through the weekend. And if you live in a low-lying area prone to flooding, I suggest you keep current on those forecasts through the weekend. And then as we head into Thursday, Friday, again, some of that drier air working its way in on the backside of that tropical wave produces a little chance to dry out. Good news there. Total rainfall amounts from Sunday into Wednesday, accompanied because of that tropical wave, come in the 2 to 3 inch amounts for us. Other parts of the state get a whole lot more than that. We'll see. We'll probably see adjustments to that forecast as we head through the weekend. So, your forecast for beach and boating today. A moderate chop with an east wind coming in at about 10 knots this afternoon, decreasing to about 5 to 10 during the evening. We'll look for about a 60% chance of showers for the next couple of days. Sunday, perhaps a little bit more sunshine. Then Monday, we start to cloud up again. Tuesday, excellent chances of rain with that tropical wave. And then perhaps we dry out again starting on Thursday of next week.